Your car cranks but won't start. Don't worry, let us find out why. First, check the battery. If the voltage is below 12 volts, that's your problem. It's either drained or the cells are weak. If the battery is fine, go for the starter relay. Sometimes, a small tap with a screwdriver can bring it back to life. Next step, when you turn the key, you should hear the fuel pump running. If not, your fuel pump might be dead. 90% of people miss this step, but with these quick checks, you'll know exactly why your car won't start.